Where to place a call to action on a landing page. If you don't want your conversion rate to drop, place your call to action at the top. Indeed, placing a call to action at the top of a landing page is one of the key landing page best practices. There are a few extra ideas you should consider to maximize the performance of your landing pages. Number 1. Place a call to action above the fold and a similar one after showcasing more details about your offer. Alternatively, you can put your call to action inside each of the explainer sections like so. See how the buttons fit nicely into those blocks. Number 2. Place a call to action above the fold, but when a visitor scrolls through the page, move the call to action to a fixed position at the top right corner. That way, it will remain perfectly visible at all times. Number 3. If your landing page has a lot of content, consider placing an additional call to action at the very bottom of your page. That way, everyone who has reached the bottom of your page will get another opportunity to convert. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and visit Markham Robot blog for more landing page best practices. Looking for a landing page builder? Check out Markham Robot at markhamrobot.com.